Hi, Joe. I know that you know a whole lot about VA home mortgage loans. Would you mind teaching us a little about them today?
Hello, Emma. I would be happy to tell you what I know about VA loans. Let's jump right in.
Great. Let's start with the basics. What is a VA home loan?
Sure, VA mortgages are home loans offered by the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs, VA, to eligible veterans, active duty service members, and certain members of the National Guard and Reserves. These loans are designed to help veterans and service members purchase homes with more favorable terms than those available through conventional mortgages.
So, when and why were they established?
The VA mortgage program was created as part of the GI Bill of Rights, which provided a range of benefits to veterans returning from World War II. The goal of the program was to make it easier for veterans to purchase homes and reintegrate into civilian life. VA mortgages were created when Franklin D. Roosevelt was the President of the United States. The program was created as part of the GI Bill of Rights, which was signed into law on June 22, 1944.
Wow, it's so cool you know so much about the history of VA loans. So, who can qualify for this type of home loan?
I'm glad you asked, Emma. VA loans are primarily available to eligible veterans, active duty service members, and certain members of the National Guard and Reserves. However, there are some situations in which certain family members of veterans may also be eligible for VA loans. Some examples of family members who may be eligible for VA loans include unremarried surviving spouses of veterans who died while in service or as a result of a service-connected disability, spouses of service members who are missing in action or prisoners of war, certain children of veterans who are permanently and totally disabled as a result of a service-connected disability. It is important to note that eligibility for VA loans is determined by the VA and is based on a variety of factors such as the veteran's length of service, duty status, and other criteria. For more information on if you would qualify, I recommend contacting a lender.
Why would someone want to use this type of financing versus a conventional loan when buying a home?
Good question. VA loans have several advantages compared to conventional loans. Some of these include no down payment required. One of the biggest advantages of a VA loan is that they allow veterans and service members to purchase a home with no down payment. No private mortgage insurance required. VA loans do not require borrowers to pay for private mortgage insurance, which can save borrowers thousands of dollars over the life of the loan. They also offer competitive interest rates, an easier qualification process, and no prepayment penalty.
Wow, Joe, you are so knowledgeable on the topic of VA loans. Thanks for taking some time to teach us all about VA loans.
You're welcome. I highly recommend calling Barton Realty or visiting bartonrealtyllc.com if you want more info about whether a VA loan could help you when considering buying a home.